out. No. He must have just grabbed this. No teeth marks in it yet. You're a force to be reckoned with. You're probably the one that slid off Sadie's collar somewhere, didn't you? Got
Yeah, he may have hidden it somewhere.
You go find that collar and you get it back. Yes. If you weren't so stinking cute, I'd get mad and yell. Oh.
Snowball's got, there you go.
You gotta be quiet, Mom's making a video. Shh. 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 I know, I'm sorry. Yep, you're gonna get skinned down next week when I'm here. Yep, I'm gonna get the rest of you. And make it all look so pretty and soft. So soft and pretty. Yes. Yes. Oh, Sally.
Max cannot wait to play with those puppies.
I know.
I keep telling him they're not old enough yet.
he was trying to lick them through the thing today. They were.
But they're getting to be, I mean, he just keeps coming over here to see, because they're playing more, and so he's thinking, okay, let me in there.
You just can't wait.
Not yet, Max. Another couple of weeks.
Yeah. Oh, yes, you little white ones. You're a wild game. You guys go find that collar.
I love it when they start to growl at each other.
I just crack up. Starts out like almost like a purr.
Almost a purr, yeah.
And then when they start to yipping, and they're like, did I do that?
Or they bounce backwards when they bark.
Yeah.
Because it just throws them backwards.
But yeah, they haven't done nothing but sleep all day. I had to rouse them a couple of times. Come on, you guys, get up. Get up.
Well, this is perfect, because I need this video, so.
The activity. I think he wants. Pretty girl. You pretty girl. You're a pretty girl. You're my favorite Sophie.
Oops.
You're my favorite Sophie.
There. He barked so hard he fell over. No, Scandal, don't get in there yet. We don't need you in the video.
Scandal. Come here. Come here. Come here. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. Yeah, you're such a good girl. You didn't get in there all damn day. I had to make you get in there once. You think you're going to get in there and get in a minute of attention? That's what it is. Yes, you're 5 minutes a day. That's what you see the girl get, isn't it? Hi, Maxie Bud. Just sit here. Just sit right here.